What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My fellow RESHOEVN8ers, Pretty Boy Rob here, and I'm back with another banger of a Shoe Care Academy episode. I'm very excited about today's cleaning because this shoe needs no introduction. Y'all seen the thumbnail. You see what I'm working with. That's right, I'm talking about the Air Max 1 Patta Monarch Orange colorway. This shoe is extremely wavy, but it's looking pretty busted right now. Personally, I'm rocking with it. If you ain't rocking with it, I don't think I can rock with you. Just kidding. But for today's video, we are gonna be showcasing our RESHOEVN8R products to get the best possible results. And I know our signature shoe cleaning kit is gonna get the job done. You do wanna make sure you're tapped in for the whole video because you're gonna be learning things about this shoe, as well as we are gonna be educating you through that whole cleaning process. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's hop straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, our cleaning station is all ready. We got all of our tools that we will be needing for the whole cleaning process. Now we're just gonna continue prepping just a little bit more. First things first, just gonna set this shoe aside because we are only gonna be cleaning one shoe. Now I need to remove our shoelaces and insert our adjustable shoe tree. After that, I'm just gonna go and pour our solution into our water. So I'm just gonna get straight to that. All right, the shoe is all prepped. Like I said, I'm just gonna jump straight to our solution. We got our water about 2 to 3 ounces. Now we just need 2 squirts. So let's get it. All right, perfect. Our cleaning station is all prepped. We are ready to go ahead and start with this cleaning process. As always, we recommend starting with our soft bristle brush. However, rather than dipping it into our water solution mix, I'm just gonna dry brush this shoe since we do have a lot of delicate materials. We got that mesh, nubuck, and suede. So like I said, rather than getting it wet and pushing it deeper in, I'm just gonna really try to help and dry brush some of that excess dirt off. So I'm gonna get to that right now, like so. Perfect, I'm getting most of that loose dirt off the shoe. It's actually looking a lot better. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna go ahead and compare the previous dirty one, just so you could kind of see just what that dry brush treatment did before. Obviously, some of those deeper stains are still there. However, it did a good job taking, again, just that excess dirt that was on it, and so it's not getting trapped deeper into that material as I'm cleaning. So let me go ahead and just set this back aside, and I'm gonna start with our soft bristle brush, dip it in our solution, and just break down all the rest of that dirt and grime. So let's get it. All right, I'm all done using our soft bristle brush. I'm very happy just how that pre-treatment turned out. Right now, I'm just grabbing our microfiber towel and just patta drying the whole shoe. But as I do this, I just want to talk about the shoe a little bit. You heard me in the beginning, I'm a huge fan of this shoe. Nike and Patta have done a lot of collabs in the past. They recently came out with 4 different colorways. Obviously, you got this orange pair, the blue pair, the maroon pair. There's also black pair, but I don't think we got that one, but y'all know the vibes. Personally, this is actually my favorite one. I mean, just look at the fit. Too fire. But I was actually lucky enough to get this one on sneakers. So these were all the shoes, plus the black one. Let us know in the comment section down below which one your favorite one was. But let's just get back to this cleaning. All done with our soft bristle brush. Now I'm just gonna grab our medium bristle brush, work on these midsoles and some of those deeper stains. However, there's not too many of those. So really just this midsole is what I'm gonna be focusing on right now. After that, grabbing our stiff bristle brush and tackling that outsole. So let's get it, let's go. All right, we're all done using our soft, medium, and stiff brush. This pre-treatment is almost done. Last thing I need to do is go ahead and just take care of these laces. What we're gonna do here is just dip them in the solution, water mixture, squish them around like so, and then I'm just gonna scrub them back and forth between my hands to help scrub off all that dirt and grime that are trapped in those laces. While we're doing this, I do just want to talk about this sneaker just a little more. Currently, this shoe is sitting on StockX for about $300 to $350 price range. However, there are other Patta collabs in the past that are about 10 grand. Specifically, the cherry wood Patta is what I'm talking about. Jake, make sure you insert it like so, just so the community knows exactly what sneaker I'm talking about. And I just have to know from you guys, do you think this sneaker will ever be that covenant? Or maybe any of the sneakers that we talked about, part of the colorways? Let us know, let us know. We'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section below. But with all that said, these laces are done. The shoes are ready to go ahead and get put in the washer. We got our laundry bag prepared like so. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in. I know someone in the comment section is gonna comment, why the heck are we putting this shoe in the washer? It got nubuck and suede. Typically, we wouldn't recommend it, but just because there's mesh on this shoe, that sock liner was extremely dingy. The only way to really flush out all these trapped in stains is gonna be with our laundry system paired with our sneaker laundry detergent. So we're gonna go put these in the washer and I'll check in with you guys in a few. There it is. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these Air Max 1s Patta in the Monarch Orange colorway. We achieved these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit. However, if you own the shoe and they weren't as busted, you can definitely get the job done using our essential shoe cleaning kit. With that pre-treatment, I was really happy with those results. However, that sock liner was what was really dingy and we really wanted to flush that out. So our signature kit is the only way to do that. Unfortunately, this shoe is not my size, so I can't cop them, even though I really want them. But if you're a size 8.5, make sure you head over to Many Worlds Clothing to get these for a steal. With all that being said, it's about time for me to get on out of here. But before I do that, I do want to remind you guys, make sure you guys are tapped in with us on Discord. We're doing a bunch of dope things on there. We're communicating with you guys, giveaways, and tons more. So make sure you follow that. We'll get that link in the description as well. My name is Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.